Known as the financial and industrial epicenter of Canada and North America's fourth largest city, Toronto is Canada's fastest growing cloud region. Home to a quarter of Canada's population and projected to grow by 40% in the next 25 years, offering low latency access to the center of Canadian commerce, robust infrastructure, and access to Southern Ontario's expansive connectivity ecosystem. Toronto is an essential destination for growing cloud providers, hyperscalers, and enterprises. Welcome to Stack Toronto, a campus built to meet your data center speed and scaling needs. Just 10 kilometers from Toronto's city center, Stack's Toronto campus is uniquely positioned to provide access to critical availability zones. Fed by multiple substations from Toronto Hydro, this campus will be served by 100% renewable energy, utilizing regional energy programs. Stack will also enable sustainable cost savings for clients. Sitting on 7.5 hectares, this repurposed 18,000 square meter facility will offer 4 megawatts of power stack, powered shell, and 4 megawatts of capacity in a ready stack, rack-ready data hall, enabling immediate critical capacity. Adjacent to its 8 megawatts initial phase, the future development of Stack's campus will meet our clients' need for speed, scale, flexibility, and control, delivering an additional 48 megawatts of hyperstack to address your long-term growth strategy, all while addressing any data sovereignty needs that might be driving your deployment. Stack was built to be the leading digital infrastructure partner to meet the needs of today's most innovative companies. With its tireless focus on scalability, flexibility, and speed, Stack is paving the way to enable today's technology pioneers as they lay the foundation for the next generation of digital transformation. Sustainable focus, immediate scalable capacity, access to major centers of commerce. Stack has been planning for your growth. Together, let's plant your flag in Canada's fastest growing cloud region.